This is the first time doing a video in my car actually, and I just want to come on here real quick to say that I am keeping all Jamaicans and all Haitians and anywhere else that Melissa may hit in prayer. Well, we hope in the first place that she just go away quietly, so that's our hope. But for now, we're just gotta prepare ourselves, as I know all Jamaicans and Haitians and everywhere that has the potential is being prepared as best as we humanly can. Today we're going to talk about some natural health tips and hacks and survival tips for Hurricane Melissa to stay safe and well. Apart from the standard things like stocking up on water, canned goods, batteries, flashlights, etc., we want to also take care of our health as best as we can during these times. So we want to stock up on plenty of sanitary wipes and all that, just in case water go away. I have 5 or 6 quick tips of what you can do to better your health during this time. So sanitary wipes is one of that, to just try to keep germs and bacteria away. We want to have plenty of sanitary wipes, and we also want to just in terms of little minor cuts and stuff, I have this Herbal healing salve that's always, I'm not affiliated with them by any means. I just used to sell them in my store, and I've been buying this product for years on end. This Herbal healing salve always help with any little rash, wounds, cuts, whatever, scratches. So that's one of my go-to. I have family members in Jamaica, and I myself am very concerned, worried, and all of that for their safety and all of that. So I have a family member that I love and cherish in Jamaica, and I'm just praying for them along with and checking in on them along with that. So the third tip is to make sure, although it may seem like a thing to overlook, doing a couple of breath work each time when you're feeling like the stress is heightened. You want to stop and take even 3 deep breaths, like I'm counting to 4 real quick, and blow it out. I promise you, although it may seem like such a simple and insignificant thing to do, it works. It will help calm the nervous system. So you really want to just stop and take deep breath, or you can do some meditation. Just anything to calm the nervous system at this time. Also, for anybody, a couple of things that you can do to have on hand. I've spoken about these in prior videos. To have on hand in essential oils like lavender, chamomile, bergamot is a top one for stress and anxiety. You want to make sure you have a couple of those on hand, even if you have 2 or 1 on hand, just to help to calm your nervous system, help with stress and anxiety during this particular stressful time. As a hurricane is so unpredictable, so although you want to not stress about it, anxiety and stress do come naturally for you to be fearful about it. So having simple things like some lavender, some chamomile, bergamot beside you to just help to calm. Raw bergamot, which is a top essential oil to help to calm for stress, anxiety, and depressive mood, to help to just calm you and to help you to relax. Anything that's going to provide relaxation to the nervous system, we want to try to have those on hand so we can calm our nerves, to think clearer. The bottom line, to think clearly, and then the next thing in terms of supplements, to have like L-theanine. You can have 5-HTP, valerian root, ashwagandha, GABA. Any one of those things on hand to just calm our nervous system at this time, in this stressful time. We can try one of those, and if one don't work, we can try another one. So just to have a couple of supplements on hand. We can only just do the best we can, so we have to just natural disasters are out of our control, so we just can prepare as best as we can and have things to calm our nervous system. These are times when community and family and everybody bond together and share with each other in terms of whatever health supply you may have that I don't have, you share, and to keep each other healthy. So we just got to bond together and just share whatever we have with each other to keep us all healthy and safe. So please make sure you have lots of canned beans on hand, which are very high in protein, to build and repair muscles and to keep you feeling fuller longer. Tuna is very high in protein and is a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids to make you feel fuller longer and to curb your appetite. In general, please make sure you have lots of canned goods on hand that are high in protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, etc. That means lots of tuna, sardines, etc. Please make sure you have lots of nuts and seeds on hand with lots of protein, fiber, and omega-3s. Last tip is to hug more. The feel-good hormone oxytocin will release when you hug someone. So bonding right now at this particular time, stressful time with the potential of Hurricane Melissa, you just want to, release as much oxytocin as you possibly can. So, we want those feel-good hormone, serotonin, dopamine, we want those to flood the body more during the stressful time to keep us calm, relaxed, and, feeling in a better mood considering the circumstances, because these circumstances like hurricanes are out of our control. So we can just do the best we can to protect ourselves, to be safe, and to decrease stress, and to bond more and love each other. All right, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed, stay healthy, and stay safe.